Hi, I'm Danica. Now I will show you the 10 plyometric exercises to improve your explosive speed. No need to use any equipment and you can do this wherever you like. You can improve your running speed, your change of direction, and your jumping power. So, let's go.
First exercise is jump squats. So we're taking a normal squat which is used to build the hamstring and the quads. As you can see, I'm cushioning my landing by bending the knees and I'm putting my hands on my shoulders just to take away the momentum of my arms which would usually use when jumping. Second exercise is jump lunges. So this is when we bend both legs 90 degrees one in front of the other and then we explode up in the air by straightening both of our legs and then we land with our opposite foot in front. Third exercise is lateral bounds. So this time we're working one leg at a time, bounding from side to side so all our weight is going on a single leg. This exercise is really going to improve your change of direction, making your move explosive off the mark because you're loading one leg. Fourth exercise is A skips. So we're on our toes bouncing and then we're driving one knee up a time, and as we drive one knee up, the opposite one drives up in front as well. So this is working on those lower legs. As we hop on the spot, you're going to feel it burning your calves but also engaging those hip flexor which are really important for explosive speed. Fifth exercise, reverse lunge knee drive. So we're performing a reverse lunge. So our foot goes behind us, bending both knees 90 degrees, and then as we push up, we also drive our knee of our opposite leg into the air as well. Sixth exercise, tuck jumps. This time we're using our arm as momentum and then we're lifting both hip flexors. So really getting a lot of hip flexor work here, and we're bringing both knees up 90 degrees parallel with our hips. So nice jumps. Seventh exercise, high knees. So this is a great exercise for working on not only developing your running technique, but it will increase your running speed if you do this consistently because you're forcing yourself to synchronize those arm and knee movements. Eighth exercise, heel flicks. So we're bringing up those heels behind us towards ourselves, which really isolates the hamstring muscles to perform that leg flexion. You're really engaging the fast twitch fibers in your hamstring, which are going to make you overall more explosive when you're running. Ninth exercise, kneeling jumps. So we're starting in a kneeling position, then swinging our arms through and using that momentum to jump up off of our knees and land onto our feet, really forcing you to engage those hip flexors. They have to be really explosive to be able to swing those legs up and engaging that core as much as possible. The combination of your hip flexors and your core should be enough to give you that momentum and power to jump back onto your feet. Really good movement for developing your explosive capabilities. 10th exercise, calf jumps. It is a little bit similar to the jump squats we perform in exercise number 1. But as you can see, we're not holding the knees anywhere near as much, so we're really trying to load the lower legs instead of the quadriceps and the hamstrings. So really working those calf muscles, trying to be explosive, pointing those toes as I jump up in the air. We're using a slight bend just to absorb the impact and give you a little bit of momentum, but all the load is really going on those calf muscles so we can make those more explosive. It's going to improve your running speed but also your jumping capabilities as well. That's all. Thank you for watching.